How to recover HelloTalk account. First, open the HelloTalk application. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to recover your account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the option More Login Methods. Tap on the option Email. Now you'll have to sign in with your email. Tap on this option Forget Password in order to recover your account. Tap on the field for your registered email address. Enter the email address with which you created the HelloTalk account. Tap on the option Forget Email Password. Tap on the option Send Email. Now an email will be sent to your email address. Open the Gmail. Tap on the email sent by HelloTalk. Tap on the password reset link that you can see on the screen. You'll be redirected to this kind of tab. Tap on the option New Password. Enter the new password over here. Tap on the option Confirm Password. Enter the password again. Tap on the option Confirm. Now your password has been replaced successfully. Go back to the HelloTalk application. Go to the login interface. Tap on the field of password. Enter the new password over here. Tap on the option Login. Once your password has been recovered, you'll be able to log in to your account. Like this, you can recover HelloTalk account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.